Hello and welcome back to Automotive Grace. Something special this time. This is the Market Harborough Classic Car Show. It's an annual show in the center of Market Harborough, beautiful town. As you can see, great turnout of people, great turnout of cars. It's the first time I've been. I normally go to the Festival of Speed at Goodwood, which typically clashes with this, but this year it doesn't clash. And I've doubled down on the Goodwood Revival. I've booked 2 tickets for 2 days, and the reason is my dad is coming over from South Africa, and we're going to go and spend some time there. So I was able to come down to the Market Harborough Classic Car Show, and as you can see, loads of people, loads of cool cars, and yeah, come along and see what goes on when you have a classic car. Welcome to Automotive Grace. Weather's turned out nice. Little drizzle, light little drizzle earlier, but it's meant to be pretty much like this for the rest of the day. Nice and dry, so fantastic for cars. It looks like half the village has turned out, which is good. Here in Market Harborough, a really friendly town, friendly people, and it's nice to see everybody out and about enjoying some classic cars. I'll walk you around, show you a little bit what's here. Quite a good variety of cars, quite surprising, and yeah, I'm going to be drooling over most of them. I'll take you along and you can do the same. Welcome to Automotive Grace. Thanks for joining me for a second video showing you loads of classic cars. So I want to say thanks very much for watching my first video of this channel. Yeah, something I'm doing just for a bit of fun. And yeah, in case you haven't had enough of me walking around showing you loads of classic cars, you'll be pleased to know there's plenty more where that came from. Right here on Automotive Grace. That's what we do. Show you loads of classic cars, everything to do with classics, living with classics, and the joy and pleasure that they bring us. Thanks for joining me.
Is this yours?
Yeah, would you like to sit in?
No, it's all right.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
And the good thing about having a local car event is that you tend to bump into people that you know and neighbours and so on. And yeah, shout out to George and Sarah. Here are their 2 cars, the Datsun 240Z, beautiful colour, and the Citroen DS. Always looks like a spaceship, doesn't it? Fantastic condition, great colour. It's a slight metallic. If the sun ever comes out, you'll see it really brings out the colour. Fantastic. Well, I thought the Market Harborough Classic Car Show would be sort of a small little get-together in our relatively small little town. But, well, it just goes on and on. This is really a big show. Hi, Jerry. My neighbour, Jerry. Whichever way you go, there just seems to be getting more and more cars. Pretty major event now. I think it's been growing over the years. It's good to see it recovering after the COVID epidemic. So, good turnout. I mean, Market Harborough is a very social town, and you wonder where all these cars are hidden away the rest of the time. This is Market Harborough and sort of surrounding areas, and you can see the whole main street is closed off just for classic cars. Great turnout, great support. If you're thinking of coming here, I have to say, it gets a big thumbs up from me. Well, as I say, that's the great thing about these local shows, is that you always bump into people that you know. So halfway through filming, bumped into a neighbor, had a nice little chat. It's good fun. If anybody's thinking of coming out to Market Harborough next year, just keep an eye out for the Market Harborough show. It's highly recommended. Get here early. Cars in from 7 a.m. to 10. I would say get in at 7 like I did, and well, get a prime spot for your car. Yeah, it's good. Hope you're enjoying it as well. It's an eclectic mix of cars, which is interesting. And yeah, here in Automotive Grace, I always like to bring you interesting things. As you can see, things have picked up considerably. I'm glad I got some filming done earlier because you can hardly see the cars. But fantastic turnout. Very good. Well done, Market Harborough. Well, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed the walk around. I definitely say this is an event I'm going to come to every year. Fantastic cars, what a great turnout. Well, glorious weather always helps. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a little walk around. I've enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, it's probably not the channel for you, because there's plenty more where this came from. So stick around and enjoy classic car life with me, Automotive Grace. Thanks. Thanks very much, as always, for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing by clicking the link here, or if you haven't already watched my previous video, have a look at it over here. Please remember to hit the bell icon to be notified of all future videos. Thanks very much for watching.